Once upon a time, in a vibrant little town, there nestled a wonderful zoo that was known far and wide for its amazing variety of animals. In this zoo lived Benny, a curious and adventurous young chipmunk. Benny had a knack for getting himself into mischief, all in the name of fun and discovery. One bright sunny morning, as the zookeeper, Mr. Jenkins, was sharing breakfast with the early risers, Benny decided he would explore beyond his usual playground. His eyes sparkled with excitement as he scampered across the leafy walkway. Today was going to be an adventure. The zoo was bustling with children on field trips, families with picnic baskets, and photographers capturing the beauty of nature's creatures. Benny loved the joyful racket. As he zipped through the zoo, he greeted his friends, a wise old tortoise named Tilly, the peacock twins Pearl and Paul, and a towering giraffe called Ginger. All was going well until Benny noticed something curious by the big, old oak tree near the aquarium. The entrance was usually closed, but today it was slightly ajar. His heart raced with curiosity. This was a part of the zoo where visitors didn't usually go. Benny darted inside and found himself surrounded by amazing, colorful fish swimming in enormous tanks. Wow, he squeaked in delight as he spotted a clownfish that reminded him of a tiny rainbow. But then, Benny saw something even more intriguing, a small, shimmering key dropped right under the biggest fish tank. I wonder what this opens, he thought. His mind bubbled with ideas about hidden treasures and secret rooms. Just as Benny was about to pick it up, he heard Mr. Jenkins coming. With nerves tingling, Benny quickly grabbed the key and scurried back outside, his heart thumping like a drum. When Benny reached his favorite oak tree, he showed the key to Tilly. Said Tilly slowly, I've heard whispers of a secret garden, a place forgotten by time, but filled with magnificent flowers. Maybe this is the key. Benny's tiny pupils turned to moons as he realized the grand adventure ahead. We must find this garden, he exclaimed, twirling the key in his little paws. So, from that day, every spare moment was devoted to solving the mystery of the secret garden. Together with Tilly, Pearl, Paul, and Ginger, Benny embarked on a series of exciting quests, all while keeping their newest secret from Mr. Jenkins. What delights awaited them in their search? Only time would tell, but Benny and his friends knew one thing for sure: the journey was just as magical as the destination.